Guys, it's Beast 55 here, and today I'm with my cousins. Say hi. Say hi. Alright. So today we're gonna play helicopters. Yeah, helicopters. So we're gonna be flying this helicopter, and it's gonna be cool. Get this out. Don't fly it. Don't fly it. Okay, guys. So this is a helicopter. It's probably gonna get crashed. It's really cool right now. It's like it's ready to fly. But this is it. So yeah. Let's get this baby started. Cue the music. Just go. Just go. Careful with me. I'm trying to look at the video. Careful, careful. Oh no. First crash. Are you okay, sir? No, you can wait. I'll take it. No, no. Come on.
I think it's gonna be my break. Yeah, you said I'm not going, okay?
No, if you break it, you got to pay me $10.
Wait,
My dad said it's indestructible.
really? Tell your dad to try.
Why don't you go tell him to come
I'm
over here?
really, I can't see.
Careful with me. No, dang it! Come on. We had it going for like at least pretty high. But now it doesn't want to go. No, don't do it.
One more.
I kind of want to just climb up this tree and just
I know, right?
just like I got this. Okay, go. A rock. All right. Try number 3. Yeah, please. Alright, let's get started. That's like I'm a beast.
I'm gonna sting you. Ready?
Alright, for now on, you just gotta be quiet.
Let's count down. 1,
2, 1, let's go! No, wait. Crap. Are we clear? Alright, I'm gonna count down. No. Turn. 6. You stink. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on! Come on, baby girl! Baby girl! Come on! Come on! Yes! Yes!